we're doing Cookie Day. Cookies for all the moms. Open it.
So today, we're going to make some Mother's Day cookies.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. And we need to greet all the moms around the world. Happy Mother's Day, mommies! You're doing a great job every day. Right, Kyra? Yes. So now,
I can't size. No size. No size out.
Be
I
careful.
I did it. Yes, I did it. I did
be
it.
careful.
Let's take this. Let's open it.
Do you need help from Mama?
No.
Really?
No.
I think you need help. Every kid needs help from Mama.
Wow! Wow!
Wow! What's inside?
Stop sprinkles.
That's sprinkles?
Yes.
Wow.
Take it out.
We have icings, different colors.
Pink.
Yeah, what else?
Purple.
What else?
Pink like a rainbow. Pink like this.
Yes, and we have green.
Purple like a gray. And also
We have green.
green like a leaf and a watermelon.
Yes, and what else? Only 3 colors? What's this? What color is this? I think it's brown.
Brown color.
Don't squeeze it.
Brown color like
Lapag mo na yan. Umalis ka na dyan.
this. Brown squirrel.
Brown squirrel. Oh, right. Okay, now we have, what do we have?
Oh, Mother's Day cookie.
Yeah, we're gonna make mom out of it. What else?
Mommy.
We have a heart shape and a house shape cookie. Okay, let me see.
And this one.
And we have an instruction. These cookies were made by Steffi's Kitchen. Alright, what a pretty box we have. We have 3 more sprinkles here. Purple, pink, and rainbow. Alright.
What's counted?
Did you wash your
1.
hands before we start?
Yes.
Okay, remember to wash your hands always before touching food. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7!
7.
Good job counting. How many colors?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good
I
job.
will pick the purple and I'll pick the pink.
Okay, but you need to wait for me.
What are you going to pick, Mom?
I think I want to do the mom cookie for my mom. Now, we're gonna make Mother's Day.
I'll pick the ice.
I will make a mom. Later you'll make a mom. You choose one first. This one is for you, the heart. Whose cookie is this? Who are you making it for?
My mom.
Who? Me?
No, my real mom.
Who's your real mom?
Tita Lemon.
Okay, that's for Tita Chen Chen.
Okay.
That's her aunt. Okay.
My aunt.
Yes, that's your aunt. That's Enzo's mama. I did not.
Yes, you did.
So
So pretty.
I'm making a mom cookie.
You're making a mom cookie. Look at all the swirls.
Oh no, you need to swirl it up.
Yes, swirl it up.
We just need to wait for Kuya for a stick.
Maybe not a stick. Look at all the swirls inside there. Look at all the swirls inside there, Mom. Look at it. I'll eat it. This way. Mommy, are you shooting?
No, I'm Mommy RJ. always fun to do artworks with your kids. Now I'm gonna use the paint.
I will make a letter. For me, Mama say, wow, what is this letter for? Hey, what's the label? I love you, my real mom.
What? You're gonna say that?
Yes.
Kyra Snow Salipud loves you, my real mom. And that's for your Tita Chen Chen?
Yes.
Wow, I think she'll appreciate it. She'll be so happy for Mother's Day.
That's kidding, Mommy.
Okay.
That's yummy and delicious.
It's really yummy and delicious.
Yes.
Okay. Wow, so pretty. I need to spread it again.
And I'll eat it. Where we eat it.
One cookie done.
And I'll eat that.
Kyra's creation for Tita Chen Chen.
And then I want the winter one
The
on the
rainbow one.
yes.
I think we can put this sprinkles
Yeah.
for here. Mix them because they are both rainbow color.
Yeah. But you don't need one.
Scissors. You need to ask help from adults to use scissors.
Now let's do up.
Okay, now put some sprinkles. I'm gonna put some star on my donkey.
And I'll put everything on it. I'll put
No, 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 no. Just a little. Ay, too much is not nice. Just like this.
everything. I love everything. My mom said
One cookie done for
One.
mommy grandma.
one cookie down for my real mom.
Oh, and who's your real mom?
Tita Lemon.
Okay, Tita Lenlen. Mommy Chen Chen is the real mom and she made this for her. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, you can greet Tita Chen Chen Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Tita Lemon made you a heart.
Wow, so sweet. Okay, next one. We're going to make this cookie for Mommy Lisa. Lisa first.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy Lisa.
Okay, this is my creation. This is for my mom. Happy Mother's Day.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
This cookie is for whom? Mommy Lisa. Mommy Lisa is in Austria.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy Lisa.
Okay, let's put some sprinkles, just a little. Don't put too much. This cookie is for Mommy Lisa. Kyra will make this cookie for Grandma Mama. There, in the other hand. Yes, what color you want to put on it?
I want pink with glitter on.
Let's put brown first. You'll put everything.
I can mix it all up together.
Don't twist too much.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Oops, done. Let's put. It's okay. I will go back and after. Now, this is the cookie for Grandma Lorna. Can you put sprinkles on it? Aww.
I love you, Mama.
I love you too.
I give you this for you.
No, this is not mine. This is for Mama. Mama Lorna. Say Happy Mother's Day to Mama Lorna.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy Lorna.
We love you.
Love you.
Okay. This is for my mom. This is for, oh no, look, it dripped. This is for whom? This is for Mommy Lisa?
My mom.
No, this is for Mommy Lisa. This one is for Tita Chen Chen. This one is for Tita Chen Chen. This one is for Mommy Lisa. For Mommy Lorna.
Red.
Now we're gonna make some Mother's Day cookies with Stormy. Hi, Omi. Go. Get some. She don't want to get some.
Why
Okay.
you
Now we need to put some there. Put it, put it. Can you put the cookie near? Can you move it near? Okay. Good job, Stormy! Yay! Okay, now we're gonna make another cookie, a house cookie. This is for all the moms.
This is my mom.
Yes, this is for mommy grandma.
This is my
Now, this cookie, we are making this cookie for all the moms around the world.
And I
Can you greet them?
happy birthday.
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day, all the moms.
We love you!
Love you.
We appreciate all your hard work every day. Is that right? Okay, make it pretty.
Hello, here's my house face.
Wow, you made a face.
Good.
So pretty, so cool.
Now it's
Look,
good.
look what Stormy did.
What?
Now Stormy's going to use the brown one. Don't eat it, Stormy. Okay, Omi's putting the brown color. Okay, good job, Stormy. And now Omi is going to put the green one. Woo! Good job. Are you having fun, Omi? Are you having fun? Let me see my Omi. Are you having fun, Omi? Yeah? I think she's having fun. Woo!
This is for my real mom.
What? Who's your real mom?
You don't know.
Oh, I'm not your real mom.
Yes?
Oh my goodness. Okay, now we're done creating. This is the cookie for all the moms around the world. Oops, Iris eating it now. How does it taste? Good. Now we're gonna eat the cookies. This one is for grandma. Look. Oh, so pretty.
You're good.
What does it say? Mom.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Thank you for watching. That's why.
Hi. And Omi. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms. Oh no. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms. Woo!